This looks beautiful. So original too. I've never seen this done before.
Yes.
And this is Chef Lee's creation, huh?
Yes. It's
Wow.
really good. Yeah.
I can't wait to try it.
Hey everyone.
Good afternoon to you. What a treat. We're all the way in California, San Mateo.
Yeah,
And-
to the Ultra Sushi.
Ultra Sushi, we're here with the owners. Thank you so much to Ivy and also
Hi.
Chef Lee. Yes, and the ironic part here is that actually Chef Lee was actually watching your videos before.
Yeah.
Yeah, so really great to be here. Thank you so much for having us at your beautiful restaurant. Who created all the artwork, especially the fish on the wall?
He did it.
Wow,
Yeah.
that is beautiful. Great job. And I heard you built most of the things, right? You installed everything? Wow,
My friend.
incredible. Do you do contracting work for other people?
Most.
No? Okay. All right, so tell us, Ivy, about your restaurant. I know you're a big fan of omakase.
Yes.
And there's a lot of things. I know you told me you like to visit other Michelin star restaurants.
Yes.
So tell me about your restaurant here. Tell me about the menu.
Okay. So my restaurant is like the medium-high restaurant, and we are mainly focused on the omakase style. And the reason why is like because I like a Michelin star restaurant. I know how expensive. So that's why we got the idea. We want all of the customer to spend a reasonable price to try the different kind of fish and also learn the variety of fish.
Right.
So that's why we choose open in this kind of restaurant.
Right.
So there's a couple like the food I like it. So the first one is a fish crush. It's really, for me, it's really amazing.
I can't wait to try. You were
And
describing
very,
that.
very delicious.
Right.
And also we have like the 10-piece omakase. So it's include 10 different variety of fish. It's based on the daily special
Okay.
we order from the fishing box.
Okay.
And also we have the sashimi, and it's like a special. It's based on the daily special fish, and it's really fresh and
Okay.
high quality. Yeah.
Very, very nice. I saw your fish selection in the sushi box.
Yeah.
And it looks beautiful. The tuna, and I know you have some prepped already. I can't wait to try that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
And you
yeah.
also have some robotic items as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
The
Some things
teriyaki,
that's so hard to find. I haven't seen in other restaurants, especially the cartilage.
Yeah.
Chicken gizzard is great too,
that's
right?
my
Yeah,
favorite.
yeah. Hiro, let me ask you, this looks so original, right? I can't wait to try this. It looks absolutely delicious. Very unique.
This
Okay.
this is a fish.
Fish crush.
Okay, so
Yeah.
fried shiso leaf
Yes.
and the
Marinade
this,
fish.
is it tuna?
Yeah, have the spicy tuna and,
then,
salmon,
salmon
kambachi.
torch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then some tobacco and then
Yes.
scampi.
And onion. Yeah.
So it has to be one bite.
One shot, yes.
Try. Can you do the one bite? I can't do the one bite.
Okay.
Itadakimasu. Amazing, right?
I think
You had the textures of the tempura oba, the smoothness,
Oba is so good.
right? I love oba fried.
Just good.
this is really good.
Yeah, so good.
I like oba,
Yeah.
and with the sashimi or tempura, both I like. Yeah, this is so good.
So good.
Yeah.
And then original. So you guys saw this dish here first? Just remember where it came from. Ultra
Good for the
Sushi.
stuff.
Right, right. Hiro-san, look at this beautiful omakase done by Chef Lee. All right, which one's your favorite? Which one do you go for? All right, enjoy. That's beautiful. Straight. How's it? The fish looks so good. Oshi. Isaac, you want to try one? Sure. I have our friend Isaac try one as well. Like Uni.
So from Japan, Hokkaido.
Hokkaido, right?
Yeah.
Rhino, please.
Try this one.
It should be king salmon, right?
Sake belly.
Oh, sake belly, okay. Go for the
Good.
King salmon.
king salmon. Enjoy Hiro. It's all fresh. The rice is actually very, very good. Come on, guys, another round. All right, good choice. Wagyu.
Hi.
Yeah, the artistry looks really nice. We've been eating so much sushi already, right? This whole trip, but let me tell you, this is really good stuff. All the best fish they have here looks super fresh. He had like 4 boxes of uni from Hokkaido. You should see. It was like a
Toro.
it's like a box of gold. Incredible. Okay, Hiro, let's enjoy.
Okay.
いただきます。
はい、いただきます。
These are really nice thick slices too.
Yes.
So good, right? You can tell just by looking at it. What's next for you?
Oh.
So many things. Oh, look at that. He has some kazami also.
Oh,
You want?
is that there too? But I have this one.
Okay. So nice, huh?
Okay. Now I'm gonna try turtle. I'm gonna use a little bit of wasabi here.
So good, right? Melt in your mouth.
Yeah, everything
Let me tell you,
in the mouth.
the fish looks extremely fresh. Oh yeah.
And then I'll try uni.
Oh, uni. Hokkaido, you know, we've been there. Where's that place already?
Very sweet.
Sweet, right? There's so much uni this trip. Okay, it looks wonderful. So good, huh?
I'll try this one.
Okay.
Should be dipping inside, right?
You have some sauce already in it?
It's a whole sauce. Yeah. Oshi.
Oshi oshi.
This is what's called the rayu.
Oh, you mean
The red one. Chili
garlic?
Chili garlic.
Yeah.
It's a nice touch, right? Yeah. So good. All right. Well, Hiro likes it. I think we're gonna come back very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chef Lee, and thank you so much, Ivy.
Thank you.
I know they have some other cooked items, Hiro, in the kitchen. We can't wait to see it as well. Your favorite coming up. One of your favorites.
What is it?
Gizzard and the cartilage.
Oh, that's I'm waiting. Can't wait.
Okay, let's go check that out.
Yes.
What an incredible meal we had just
Amazing
now.
meal. Yes, my favorite is which one called chicken
Chicken cartilage.
cartilage,
Chicken
yeah,
gizzard.
and chicken gizzard,
Yeah, we didn't have it in a
then-
long time.
and sashimi.
Sashimi was beautiful. It's also the special omakase. It was really, really
Putting
nice.
sauce on.
Yes,
Great
yes.
as well.
Thank you so much to Chef Lee.
Right. Thank you.
Wonderful. We can't wait to see you again. And also
Yeah.
Ivy. Thank
Thank
you so much.
you.
Hiro-san, we'll be back next time we're in
Sure.
San Mateo.
When next time I'm coming to California and San Francisco, definitely I'm gonna stop by again. Yes.
Sounds good. Did you watch his videos before?
Yes.
How long ago?
About a year.
A year? Okay, Hiro. He knew you from 1 year ago.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jin.
Jin?
Jin, yeah.
Oh, Jin. Okay. And so you used to watch Hiro as well, right? On YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
How long ago did you watch him?
Around 5 years.
5 years ago, okay.
How to make the sushi.
How to make sushi, okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay, good. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. The food is delicious.